Good day everyone, my name is Decadent Big Market Rita Plaza.
And this is Decadent Jefferson Istanel. Decadent Micros de Prahes.
Art Appreciation.
Art Appreciation. Art Appreciation.
Art Appreciation. The study of humanities encompasses a broad range of disciplines that explore human culture, thought, and experience. This field typically includes subjects such as literature, philosophy, history, languages, religion, art, and music. Exploration of human culture values. Humanities investigate the ways in which humans understand and express their experience and values. This includes studying literature, art, and music to understand how different cultures and societies have interpreted the human condition.
Art movements are style or tendencies in art that follows a specific philosophy or goal, typically associated with a group of artists during a specific period. Here are some significance of art movements. Renaissance, focus on revival classical learning of wisdom, humanicism, realistic perspective. Notable artists Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo Raphael.
Traditional arts, the Philippines artifact rooted in the country, history and cultural heritage, range of the practice that reflect the influence in the indigenous, colonial, and modern periods. First one is Tinalak, second Inabel.
Arts in Muslim Mindanao are vibrant and diverse, reflecting the rich cultural heritage and Islamic influences of the region. Here are some key traditional arts craft from Muslim Mindanao. For example, Inaol, a traditional hand-woven fabric from Maguindanao characterized by intricate geometric patterns and vibrant colors.
The second is Malong, a tubular garment made from woven and cloth commonly by Maranao, Maguindanao, and the Muslim communities.
That's all.
As you going good, atal. Traditional arts in the Philippines, as you tawa. This one is Tanalak. This one is Tana. Pagtagyatak sa TV.